start with the big breaking news coming in from Lucknow. We are learning that Pratik Yadav, who is the son of late Samajwadi Party leader Mulayam Singh Yadav, he has passed away. Pratik Yadav, who is also the husband of BJP leader Aparna Yadav, was brought dead to the Lucknow Civil Hospital, is what we are learning so far. In fact, details surrounding his death are still emerging at this hour, and official confirmation on the cause of death is now awaited. The news has, of course, sent shockwaves across the state of UP, but at this point what we're learning so far is Pratik Yadav, who's the son of late Samajwadi Party leader Mulayam Singh Yadav, he has passed away. Details surrounding his death are still emerging and they are still unclear. Let me go across to my colleague Adib, who's been tracking all the details. Adib, this is quite concerning. We're learning that Pratik Yadav has passed away. He was the son of Mulayam Singh Yadav. He is no more. In fact, he was brought to the hospital in Lucknow just a while back. Give us more details about what really happened.
Well, certainly, Akansha, the details are currently emerging, but what we are being told is that Pratik Yadav, when he was brought to the hospital, he already lost his life at that point of time. It is being said that he was quite ill for a very long time. He was not keeping well, and this morning he was rushed to the civil hospital by his family members and the security team. He was rushed to the civil hospital where doctors have declared him dead. And now all the family members, including Akhilesh Yadav, they have been informed about the incident. Pratik Yadav is the son of Mulayam Singh Yadav and also the cousin of Samajwadi Party chief Akhilesh Yadav. All the family members, they are rushing towards the civil hospital. The cause of death is uncertain as of now. What really happened? We are awaiting a bulletin from the civil hospital. A panel of doctors will be examining Pratik Yadav, and after that, they will be giving some kind of information as to what really happened with Pratik Yadav.
Absolutely. At this point in time, there's no official word on the cause of death and several questions remain unanswered. Hospital, in fact, they have confirmed that he was brought to the hospital in an unresponsive condition is what we're learning so far. But at this point in time, we're learning that Pratik Yadav, who's the son of late Samajwadi Party leader and founder Mulayam Singh Yadav, he has reportedly passed away. He was also the husband of BJP leader Aparna Yadav. He was brought dead to the civil hospital in Lucknow earlier today. Adib, do tell us about what are your sources in the hospital they are saying so far, because we're learning that he was brought to the hospital in an unresponsive condition.
Well, certainly, Kansha, that is the main point, that he was brought by his family to the civil hospital in an unresponsive way. The doctors tried to revive him, but they couldn't revive him, and now they have declared him dead. Now, a panel of doctors, senior doctors, they are checking the body of the Pratik Yadav to examine the exact cause of death, what really happened. Senior police officials of Lucknow Police, they have also been rushed to the police as the family, as the matter belongs to a VVIP family of Lucknow. Pratik Yadav is the son of, as you have been mentioning, former Chief Minister Mulayam Singh Yadav and the brother of Akhilesh Yadav. All the political leaders, they are rushing towards the civil hospital. And a panel of doctors is now going to examine and tell what really happened, what really went wrong with Pratik Yadav.
All right, so as of now, the exact cause of the death remains unknown, and there has been no detailed and official statement that is coming from the family or the hospital authorities on this. But definitely a very shocking and a massive development coming in from Lucknow at this point in time. Let me also go across to in fact, Manish Yadav, who's tracking all the details from Lucknow. Manish, क्या कुछ पता चल पा रहा है? क्योंकि हमें भी पता चल रहा है कि लखनऊ के एक हॉस्पिटल उनको लाया गया था. क्या कुछ कंडीशन थी? क्या कुछ हालात में उनको वहां लाया गया था? क्या कुछ आप बता पाएंगे हमें इस समय?
देखिए, जो प्रारंभिक तौर पर अभी जानकारी मिल पाई है, इतनी ही जानकारी मिली है कि सवेरे अचानक इमरजेंसी के हालात में प्रतीक यादव को सिविल हॉस्पिटल, जो कि उनके आवास के बहुत नजदीक है, वहां पर भर्ती कराया गया था और डॉक्टर्स ने उन्हें मृत घोषित कर दिया. क्या वजह इसके पीछे रही है? क्या हार्ट अटैक की सिचुएशन रही है या फिर किसी और बीमारी के चलते अचानक निधन हुआ है या किसी गंभीर बीमारी का सामना प्रतीक यादव इतने लंबे अरसे से कर रहे थे, ये जांच का विषय है. लेकिन जो अभी प्राइमा फेसी जो जानकारी मिल पाई है परिवार के हवाले से, वो यही है कि प्रतीक यादव को अचानक हॉस्पिटल में एडमिट कराया गया था और निकट अस्पताल जो पड़ता है वो सिविल हॉस्पिटल पड़ता है, सरकारी हॉस्पिटल है. तो ऐसे में वहां पर उनको भर्ती कराया गया था, जिसके बाद ये हादसा की खबर सामने आई है. मुलायम सिंह यादव के दूसरे बेटे हैं, तो ऐसे में परिवार के लिए भी शोक की बात है। प्रतीक यादव, चाहे वो पारिवारिक उत्सव रहा हो, कोई शादी संबंध हो, या फिर ऐसी कोई चीज जिसमें परिवार के सदस्यों का एकजुट रहना जरूरी हो, सदैव वो परिवार के लिए खड़े रहते थे। अपर्णा यादव और प्रतीक यादव की तस्वीरें हाल ही में वायरल हुई थी, जब वो सैफई में अखिलेश यादव के भतीजे की शादी में गए थे। अखिलेश यादव ने आशीर्वाद भी दिया था। तो परिवार के साथ जुड़ाव प्रतीक यादव का रहा है। भले राजनीतिक रूप से अपर्णा यादव की राहें अलग रही हो, लेकिन पारिवारिक रूप से मुलायम परिवार की बहू होने के नाते उन्होंने हर वो फर्ज निभाया जो एक बहू की जिम्मेदारी होती है, जो बहू के हिस्से में आता है। तो ऐसे में पारिवारिक लिहाज से देखा जाए तो बड़ी क्षति, क्योंकि प्रतीक यादव और अखिलेश यादव की कई मौकों पर बॉन्डिंग देखने को मिली थी। मुलायम सिंह यादव की जब तबीयत खराब थी, उस वक्त भी दोनों भाई एकजुट होकर लगातार कोशिश कर रहे थे कि मुलायम सिंह यादव के स्वास्थ्य में सुधार हो, और मुलायम सिंह यादव के साथ रहना, ये कुछ ऐसी चीजें होती है जो
All right.
परिवार को शोक पे डाल दिया है। अखिलेश यादव को भी जानकारी मिली है, शिवपाल सिंह यादव को भी जानकारी मिली है। शिवपाल सिंह यादव चूंकि बाहर थे, तो ऐसे में ऐसी जानकारी मिली है। अपर्णा यादव का परिवार जो कि लखनऊ में रहता है, वो भी अपर्णा पर पहुंचने वाला है, और जो अपर्णा यादव का घर है जहाँ पर वो उसके साथ रहती है, तो अखिलेश यादव की
All right.